Hello student, myself Dr. Vandana Jain from Jaipur Engineering College is going to present a topic enzymes. In the last video, we were discuss about the types of enzyme and structure of enzyme. This topic is very important for 4th semester BTech Electrical Engineering student. Now in this video, we will discuss the characteristics of enzyme, classification and nomenclature of the enzyme. So as we know, the enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up the rate of biochemical reaction. Biochemical reaction occur in living organisms during metabolic process. Most enzymes are three-dimensional globular protein. Generally, they are tertiary and quaternary structure. Some special RNA species also act as enzyme and are called ribozyme. So, what is the characteristics of enzyme? The characteristics of enzymes are: enzymes speeds up the reaction by lowering the activation energy of the reaction. So enzyme decreases the activation energy of the reaction, so the reaction proceeds faster. Their presence does not affect the nature and properties of the end product, and the enzyme remain unchanged at the end of the reaction. They are very highly specific in their action, that in each enzyme can catalyze one kind of substrate. Only the small amount of enzyme can accelerate the chemical reaction. Enzymes are also sensitive to change in pH, temperature and substrate concentration. What is turnover number? Turnover number is defined as the number of substrate molecule transformed per unit by one enzyme molecule. For example, catalase turnover number is 6 into 106 per minute. It means in 1 minute catalase enzyme change the substrate molecule into product. The number of substrate molecule is 6 into 106 number. So next, what is the nomenclature of enzymes? How enzymes are naming? An enzyme is named according to the name of the substrate it catalyzes. Some enzymes were named before a systematic way of naming enzymes was formed. Means कुछ एंजाइम सबस्ट्रेट के नाम के आधार पे अकॉर्डिंग टू नेम किए जाते हैं, और कुछ एंजाइम जिनसे वो प्रिपेयर होते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग नेम किए जाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल पेप्सिन, ट्रिप्सिन, रेनिन. बाई एडिंग सफिक्स एट द एंड ऑफ द नेम ऑफ द सबस्ट्रेट एंजाइम आर नेम्ड. मीन सबस्ट्रेट के एंड में ए सफिक्स लगा देने पे जो नया नाम होगा उसी को ही हम क्या बोलेंगे, एंजाइम का नेम बोलेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल माल्टेज. माल्टेज catalyze the maltose. Means maltose is a substrate. When we add ase after maltose, the name of enzyme will be maltase. Okay. So here the example of enzymes are substrate. For the substrate lactose, the enzyme will be lactase. For maltose, enzyme will be maltase. Cellulose, enzyme called cellulase. For catalyzing the lipid, the enzyme called lipase. For starch, the enzyme named amylase. And for protein, the enzyme is called protease. So these are the substrate and these are the enzyme which catalyze that substrate, a particular substrate. Next is the classification. So how enzymes are classified? A systematic classification of enzyme has been developed by International Enzyme Commissions. The classification is based on the type of reaction catalyzed by enzyme. Means the type of reaction involved during the biochemical reaction the enzyme so classified. There are 6 major classes. Each class is further subdivided into subclasses, sub-subclasses, and so on to describe the huge number of different enzyme catalyzed reaction. So here the 6 type of enzyme shown in this table, enzyme class and the reaction type and the example. As we have already said that according to the type of reaction, enzyme class is classified. The first one is like oxidoreductase. The type of enzyme oxidoreductase involved in the oxidation reduction reaction. For example, lactase dehydrogenase. Similarly, transferase is a class of enzyme that catalyze the reaction in which chemical groups is moved. For example, hexokinase. Hydrolysis involved in the hydrolysis reaction. For example, lysozyme. Lysases, it is a non-hydrolytic bond cleavage. When in the reaction non-hydrolytic bond cleavage occur, the class is called lysases. For example, fumarase. Similarly, the next class is isomerase. It involved in the reaction intermolecular group transfer, means isomerization. This type of class of enzyme involved in isomerization reaction. For example, triose phosphate isomerase. Ligases, it is a class of enzyme that is involved in the synthesis of new covalent bond. For example, RNA polymerase.